What's up, guys? It's Sophie here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are going to be making a paper squishy. These are all the stuff that you're going to need. A piece of paper folded like this, foam, tape, a pen or anything you can write with, scissors, and tape. So first you're going to fold the piece of paper like this, write any circle, big or small, medium, then cut it out. Then tape it a little bit. I already cut out little circles. So now I'm going to be getting some piece of tape. You're going to get a piece of tape and put it like this. Make sure you hold it so it doesn't separate. And after you do that, you don't have to hold it. If you want to hold it, you can. Then you do another piece of tape. Keep on taping it until you're done taping it, but you don't want to tape it all the way because you are going to put fluff in it, foam. So after you put 4 pieces of tape, you're going to put the foam in it. After you taped 4 pieces like this, it should look like that. Then you're going to grab some of your foam. And then gently put it inside because you don't want it to turn. You don't want it to break. Then after, you do it like this. I'm just holding it like this because I need to grab another piece of tape. You need to grab another piece of tape. Make sure you hold the foam down so it doesn't pop out. And you hold it together if you want to. After you tape one, it's okay if it's a hole right there, you can just tape it. Just tape the hole together. If there's any holes, just tape it. That's okay. Take your time too. You don't have to do it fast like I'm doing it. It's just that I really want to do this video fast. And I only have like 4 more holes to tape. If it's just like a very tiny piece of tape, that's fine because you don't have to tape it. Well, if you want to, you could, but I'm going to tape it because I want to, and you don't have to if you don't want to. And the reason why you need 2 circles, by the way, you need 2 circles, that's why you fold the piece of paper. You need to cut it, and if you didn't get all the steps that I did, rewind the video and go back. And if it's a very, very, very tiny cut, then you don't tape it, but if you want to, you could. For this one, I just need a very small piece. And there you have it. It's a paper squishy. You can squish it. Oh, let me go get you. Follow me, guys. I also made more. See, I made the small one with extra tape. I made this one that you can squish like this. I made this one, and this one I just made. Thanks for watching. Bye.